What if I told you that you only need 4 notes to create a powerful emotional piano improvisation? A not complex harmony, just 4 simple notes used the right way. Note my right hand. And that entire improvisation was built from just one small idea. So let's break it down. The motif, 4 notes. E, A, B, E, and back to B and E. The rhythm is important. It doesn't start on beat 1. It leads into the bar. That gives it motion. Have a listen. And here are the chords: A minor, E minor, F major, and G major. Play them as simple broken chords or soft block chords. Already this progression has emotional movement, but the real magic happens when we keep the motif constant. And so on. By the way, if you enjoy learning improvisation like this, I created a free guide called 10 Secrets to Improvisation. It goes deeper into ideas like motifs, harmony, and phrasing. You can download it for free, a link in the description. So, listen how the emotions are changing. I am not changing the motif. The harmony changes the emotional color. The motif over A minor feels stable over E minor, more reflective, and over F major, warmer, and over G major, slightly open and kind of unresolved. Now let's make it more expressive. Use space after the motif. Add short answering phrases, like this or like this. And so on. You can use tones of the motif, like we did, or you can use of the chords, maybe chord tensions. Have a listen. Think of the motif as your main character. The counter melodies are like emotional reactions. Important tip: don't overplay. Leave breathing space. Now, change the mood dramatically. Use a major instead of a minor. Or use C major. Or, very interesting, use F sharp minor. Now, let's play a full improvisation. I'll use variation of the motif and shifting the motif like this. Have a listen. so on. So remember, powerful improvisation doesn't come from complexity. It comes from developing small ideas. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more emotional piano tutorials, and don't forget to download the free guide 10 Secrets to Improvisation, a link below. In the next video, I'll show you to create a sound combining hope and sadness using colorful chords. See you there.